you have rusty-looking slime blocking your pipework, unpleasant odors, orange-brown staining, and deposits? If you have any of these, then it's quite likely you have an iron problem in the bore. The solution to any of these is Boresafe. Boresafe breaks down the iron so that water can flow freely again, and it reduces the strain that blockages can put on your pump. This bore has iron bacteria, so we're going to run through a few easy steps to get this water supply back to fast-flowing, crystal-clear water. First, it's important to read the safety directions on the label to ensure you have the correct safety equipment. We also need to work out the correct dosage with the help of the instructions on the label. We know this bore is 100 mil wide, 120 meters deep, and the water level is 12 meters down. So there's 108 meters of water. Because this bore has never been treated, we need to give it a shock dose. This means we're going to use 42 kilos of Boresafe today. Boresafe is available in 5, 10, and 20 kilo containers. Now, we dissolve the required amount of Boresafe in a bucket of water. Divert the discharge of the bore pipework back down the bore so the system is recirculating. And remember, before you start, to check your pump's operating instructions for recirculating or recycling water. Now the system is recirculating, so I'll pour the dissolved Boresafe down the bore and we'll leave the system recirculating for 6 to 8 hours. After recirculation, we're going to flush the system by moving the discharge line so the water drains away from the bore. And just keep in mind that while Boresafe is completely biodegradable, during this stage, you'll need to avoid flushing near areas that you don't want damaged or stained. Once we've left this flushing for a while, you need to check the water quality. We take the solution that comes with each bucket of Boresafe and sampling of the water, and we put 10 drops of the solution into the water. We want the water to turn purple. This will indicate the water is safe. Looks pretty purple to me. I reckon it's done the job. While all iron oxide deposits can be removed, it's not possible to completely eliminate iron bacteria. So we recommend using Boresafe as part of a maintenance program twice a year to keep your well or bore trouble-free. And remember that for ongoing iron issues, we recommend installing one of Puretec's iron reduction systems. So next time a bore or pump is due for maintenance, use Boresafe to save money, hassle, and downtime. Puretec, perfecting water made easy.